When we came over to Granite Bay, PG&E, I was expecting a bigger bill, but I wasn't expecting 4 to 5x increase. And that was really an eye-opener for me. So that's when I started researching solar, because that's not something I had looked at. For something as big as solar, something that's going to impact your life daily, you have to go with somebody who owns the process A to Z. You can't have handoffs in the middle. And with this system, I know that if there's anything that I need help on, there's a single person I could call.
That's right.
And they won't, you guys won't hand me off to, oh, we hired this roofing company to do that. You got to go deal with them. Or we hired this separate electrical guys to run the wiring. So with you guys, it's like everything in house. So yeah. So just this Sunday, I got a notification from PG&E about my new July bill is live. So I went and opened it up, and they have a chart there where they show month over month, year over year, and one particular line grabbed my attention. It said your July bill in 2025 is $872 less than July 2024. The installation was really good. I was working from home the whole day, so it wasn't like I was hearing a lot of loud noises or anything like that. I was just going about it my normal day, but you know, they installed, I believe it's like 36 panels.
Yeah, you got a big system.
It's a pretty big system. And they did a great job. And one of the things, as I was telling you earlier, is when you drive up to the house, I don't know how they manage that, but you don't see a single panel.
That's right.
I felt very comfortable. It's been a great experience, and I would highly recommend Westhaven.